This is Odin's Wolf Survival in the great forest of Kansas. Bit overcast today, bit of breeze, really kind of nice, about 75. Typical spring day, rather like it. Today I have my ESEE 6, of which I had in another video, and people were asking about the pouch and what was in it. So that's what we're going to talk about. I'm a righty, so there we go. There's the ESEE and the pouch I got off Amazon, and it was made for it with bolts to go through and bolt it to the plastic sheet. Snap lock. And if I can find it again, this says made in the USA. If I can find it again, I'll put the links. They kind of come and go depending on how they're selling. And inside this, I put the 10 from ESEE, which has their little kit. It's got snare wire, a compass, tinder tabs basically, a bit of cord, another small utility knife, a light, now a small squeeze light. We have a little ferro rod and striker, a fishing kit with several hooks, lures, some line, and some a compact emergency signal mirror, and the ESEE card, which is kind of stuck in there. But you can see that. Let's see if I can pop it out with a knife. This thing's been riding around in my car. There we go. And their card, which gives you some basics for when everything goes south. Not that everybody plans on the world going pear-shaped, but it seems like it tends to want to do that on a somewhat regular basis, depending on where you're at in the world. So this was set up as kind of to be a very basic kit, and this isn't for the beginner. I mean, you really kind of have to know what you're doing with it, but it will help keep you alive over the short term, and that's what we're looking for. All in all, this is probably the most important bit of the kit. All the rest of this is added on because you will need this to really make this kit come alive. Again, this is the Randolph's Adventure Training School of Survival kit. Thank you for watching the video. Have a glorious, glorious day.